Good morning, students. Last class I have shown how to sketch a rose flower. For this rose flower, today I will explain how to shade it. Before that, finish this leaves. Okay. See, observe how I am drawing. Okay. Like this. Then we have to draw the margin sharply, like this. Here the margin should come outside. This tip should be outside. Okay. Okay. Okay, like this. Now for shading you have to take 2B pencil. This is a 2B pencil and this is an 2H pencil. With the help of these two pencils we will shade the leaves and the flower. Okay. First of all, with the 2B pencil B, it is a blend and it gives dark color. The graphite color will be dark, not light color. With the help of this pencil we have to hold it like this, not straight, slantly. In between the fingers we have to hold it slantly and draw lightly. We should not draw thickly. Okay, thickly, and we should not press it on the paper. Just with light and delicate hands, delicately we have to handle the pencil slightly and darken the margins like this. Okay. Like this. And then with the help of a tissue paper we should rub these darked one with the help of tissue paper or fingertip or a cotton. Okay. Okay, like this. Later with 2H pencil we should draw thin lines. 2H pencil means H means harder. It will be, the point will be very harder. If we draw thickly or with force we draw, the paper will tear it. So this one also we should handle lightly and give slight strokes. Okay, like this. See. Okay. Here. Okay. This flower is completed. Like this one, other flower should be shaded. Okay. Okay. Okay, now for flower, see here, watch this one. the leaves here, the petals are overlap on each other. For this petal, these two petals are overlapping here. So when the petals overlap on another petal, here comes the dark region, dark shading here in between two petals. Okay. Okay, like this. It should be darkened with the help of 2B pencil.